Good chat. Today I'm going to be showing you how to track wallets, how to implement them in your trading platform, and third of all, how to utilize them to make a profit. So if that's something that interests you, then let's get right into the video. First things first, we're going to have to find a trading platform for you. In this case, I use Axiom.trade. It's a free trading platform and you can apply wallets here very easily. There is other platforms where you'll be able to apply wallets, so it's strictly up to preference, but I use Axiom, guys, so the link will be in the bio for that. Once we have our trading platform, it's very simple, guys. At the bottom left of your screen, you will see wallet down here, right? You click on it, it simply says wallet tracker. Very simple, very easy. Click on that and then you have all these tabs within the wallet tracker, which I'm going to explain to you. You're going to figure out how to use them. This is where all the wallets will be. As you can see, I could see what people are buying in real time. Right now, I see this guy named Elon. He's buying a coin. I can simply click on it and bam, I'm right to the coin. I see Cupsy getting in something. I click on it. It's the same coin, so it doesn't change. But if we scroll down, I could see Cupsy was just in this other coin, and obviously it got rugged. Now the next thing we need is where to get the wallets, guys. So we can go into colescan.io. It's a platform that shows all the top traders in the world currently. And as you can see, we have all the biggest names here. We have Marcel, we have YOLO, we have Gijo, Bandit, all the top traders, and you can see exactly how much Solana they're making per day. So now you have all their wallets. As you can see, you can copy all of them right here. Boom, boom, bam. You have their X and all the information you need. As you can see, we're on the daily tab. This is not good. You don't want to find people on the daily tab because it just fluctuates too much. It's inconsistent. You want to go to the weekly tab or even the monthly tab to find the people who are being consistent and making big paydays every day, guys. If you find it on the daily, no bueno. Weekly is where I'm usually at, and I kind of go through and filter out the best. Obviously, this is a lot of wallets to go through, so you don't want to add all of these because you will get confused. You want to add the best of the best, and there's a way I filter out through this, and it's very simple, guys. I click on their name, I go to profit, and I see their wins. If it's all, let's say they made 700 SOL in the week, and if it's all 700 is made from one trade, this wallet is not good because they lost every other trade. They lost 100 trades before they made one trade that hit 700 SOL, right? So if you're copying this guy or using him for reference and he's losing 100 trades in a row, you're gonna be like, what the fuck is this? You'll probably just get the wallet out. Don't waste time. Try and find a wallet that's consistently making gains. For example, this guy Keanu, you can see he's making 200 SOL, 100 SOL, 100 SOL, 65 SOL, 60, 60, 50, 50. This is a good wallet because he's consistently making wins. Obviously, if you go everywhere, he has a lot of losses, so use it as reference. Don't copy trade, obviously. Let's go find another wallet. So let's say we wanted to add this guy's wallet, Keanu. He seemed to have a lot of big wins. We can go ahead, copy the wallet, and then we're gonna go back to our Axiom, right? We'll go find the wallet tracker at the bottom left, like stated before. And here is where you can go and click on this main thing right here, and you're gonna want to add a group. First things first, you're gonna want to add a group. So let's just, for example, call this YouTube. The groups are where the wallets are gonna be within. So you call it YouTube, bam, it's right here, right there. And now you can go on add wallet. We have the wallet address of Keanu. We add it right there, that code from right here. This is the code, you're gonna add it right here. It's called a wallet address. Boom, and then you add his name, Keanu. And then this is up to you. This is strictly preference. You could put an emoji. I recommend every wallet you have has an emoji that stands out. Don't put like 5 different ones with the same smiley face because then you'll get confused. Please change the emoji, whether it's color coordinated or just symbol coordinated. Change the emoji, guys. It's very important. And then I could put it under my YouTube tab, and then boom, the wallet's added. So now I could track it, and every time he gets into a trade, on this trades tab right here, you will see it go up in real time, right? So once you found all the good wallets in here, I recommend do not copy trade them. These wallets are not for copy trade. They are simply for eyes and reference. And what I mean by reference, guys, is you're gonna see within the wallets that a few of them are gonna be making consistently wins. You're gonna notice there's few wallets that are better than others, and there's some wallets that just get into everything and everything. Those ones are good for eyes. The ones who trade fewer trades, but the trades are more impactful and more profit, those are the wallets you want. So let's say you had 3 of those wallets that you knew, and they were very good, and you see all of them get into the coin around the same time. This is probably something you want to look at, right? This is not something you want to overlook because you're seeing 3 consistently profitable traders hopping in and holding the coin, right? So this is a good signal for, okay, maybe I should look into this. Or for example, a trader like Cupsy, who's usually in and out of trade within 10 seconds, if you see him holding a coin for longer than a few minutes, when usually his trade time is 10 seconds, this is also a good signal that, hey, this could be something good. So let's go ahead and click on this coin here. We're going to put it on the 1 second so we can see it. And as you can see, their bubbles are here, Cupsy and Danny. If we click on Danny or Cupsy, we can see all the wallet information they have. You can see what coins they're holding, the coins that made them the most money, their daily average money they made. So this guy's currently down 6K for the day. But if we go on the 30-day, he's up 43K. So you can see everything you need to see, his realized, his total value, everything you need to see, guys. Everything is on this platform, Axiom. For example, we can go look at Cupsy now, right? We can go look at Cupsy's wallet. We click on his wallet and we can see that he's up $46,000 today. He's currently holding memecoin. He's holding a few other little ones, but yeah, we have all the information we need, guys. So that's how you're gonna wallet track. That's how you're gonna implement the wallets into your platform, and that's how you're gonna utilize them. Now, like I said, the best way to utilize them is to use them as reference, guys. Never copy trade wallets. The thing you want to use wallets for is to see, is eyes. You want to always have an advantage on the market because you can see everything. So while you're looking for coins on the pulse screen, for example, we can't see everything and everything. Sometimes we miss certain things. Sometimes we overread a narrative and we think in our head it's not good, but then we look at it a second or a third time and we're like, okay, you know what? This makes sense. So you always want to have this open, just check in, eyes, right? So a lot of these coins I haven't even seen personally because I'm yapping. So now I could see, okay, Hope, let's go check it out. Does it look good? The guy's live, he's living homeless. Wow, this could be good, right? Now I do have a Discord with tons of traders who are trading every day in an active community, whether it's voice calls, whether it's in the chats. They are actively sharing the best wallets, the best knowledge, and we're actively learning together, and we're all making money. So if this is something that interests you guys, I will put the link in the description. It's called the DGen Whales. Tap in, boys. Let's get this money before the season starts. Let's go.